Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to withdraw funds from your Robinhood account to your bank account. Alright, jumping straight in, the first thing you need to do is open up the Robinhood app and tap on the account icon. This would probably be a person symbol where your profile picture would be. You then need to select menu, which is the 3 horizontal bars, and then you need to look for transfers. Once you're in transfers, click on withdraw and enter the exact amount you would like to transfer to your bank account. The next step is selecting the Robinhood account to withdraw from, and then choose your linked external bank account as the destination. The last thing is to choose instant transfer. This is a 10-minute process and it has a 1.75% fee charge on all standard ACH transfers, and it is free up to 5 business days. Once you've done that, you will receive your money in your bank account within that time period.